Hello and welcome to another episode of Raga. The word Kalyani means she who causes auspicious things. Kalyani, the most graceful raga, the name of the supreme goddess. It is the queen of the raga family. This raga, which renders a very pleasing effect, is suitable for singing at all times and encapsulates emotions or rasas, namely bhakti, sringara, and vatsalya. When Serfoji Maharaja heard of Tyagaraja Swami's great performances and invited him to his palace to sing in his court, Tyagaraja Swami rejected the offer, singing Nidichala Sukhama in Kalyani, which means, does abundance of wealth bring happiness? Let's listen to Sri M.R. Ramachandran's Kalyani, followed by his top picks and comments.
Namaskaram. In today's raga, we will discuss about Raga Kalyani. This is a very auspicious raga which is played in Nadaswaram for Tamil Brahmins marriages, mainly because it is an auspicious raga. This raga is to be elaborated between Pa and Sa. This is a main raga sung in almost all the kacheris and as a main raga of that kacheri. There is an Adidala Varnam, there is an Natadala Varnam, there is a Padavarnam for Bharatanatyam, there is a Swarajadi, there is a Geetam. And coming to the Kridis composed by Vagayakaras, Tyagaraja Swamigal has composed many Kridis and most of them are very famous. Nidhi Jala Sugama, Eda Unnara, Sundari Nidhi Viruni, Amma Ravamma, Vasudevayani, these are the main Kridis of Tyagaraja. Dikshidhar has composed Navavarna Kriti in this raga, then Bhajare Re Chitta, Shivakameshrim Chindayogam. Shyama Shastrigal has composed Talli Ninnu Nammi, which is in Viloma Chapo. Then Himadri Suday. Coming to Sadi Tirumal Maharaja Kritis, Adri Sudavara, Pankaja Lojana, Pahiman Sri Vageshri, which is a Navaratri Kriti sung in Navaratri Mandapam Trivandrum. There is a Dasar Kriti and Pabanacham Shivan has composed most beautiful Kriti in this Unnayallal Vera Gadiyalli Amma. When coming to film songs, there are countless numbers of film songs composed in this raga. If you read out all these film songs composed in this raga, it will take more than 2-3 hours. But we will read out one of the some of the main film songs in this. First film songs which is coming into my mind is Mannavan Mandanadi. Then Shindane Shai Maname. These are very old songs. Then Amma Endra Vekkatha Veeriliya. Among the Malayalam movie songs, Sorganantini, which is in Kumarasambhavam movie, then Swarna Chamaram, then Poltingal Kala Pottudatta. These are the film songs which is coming into my mind. Thank you very much. Enjoy the day.
Thank you so much, Anna. There are too many songs in this raga in film music, and my picks are as follows. In 1941, the movie Ashok Kumar, the song Manila Vaalvu Perum by M.K. Tyagaraja Bhagavathar, music by Alandur Sivasubramaniam and composed by Pavanasam Sivan. In 1944, the movie Jagadala Pradhaban, the song Thayai Paniven, sung by P.U. Chinnappa, music by G. Ramanathan and composed by Pavanasam Sivan. What a prolific composer. 1953, movie Ovayar, the song Alai Palavakkalamo, sung by K.B. Sundarambal and music by Mayavaram Venu. In 1955, the movie Kaveri, the song Manjal Veyil Malayile and sung by C.S. Jayaraman and M.L. Vasantakumari. Music by G. Ramanathan and written by Udumalai Narayana Kavi. There are fans even today for C.S. Jayaraman. Many would not have had the opportunity to listen to the above songs. In 1957 movie Ambikapati, the song Sindhanai Sei Manave, it's a very popular song. TMS masterpiece by G. Ramanathan. 1959 movie Thangappadumai, the song Mugathil Mugam Parkalam, one more sparkling composition by Viswanathan Ramamurthy based on Kalyani, to Pattukkotai's lovely lyrics and beautifully sung by TMS and Leela. The use of Ganjira in the percussion score echoes Viswanathan Ramamurthy's brand special. In 1962 movie Poliskaran Magal Indha Mandrathil Odivarum sung by P.B. Srinivas, S. Janaki, Viswanathan Ramamurthy's music, I have something to share with you here. P.B. Srinivas sir used to sit at his favorite spot in the drive in Woodlands Drive-in Woodlands restaurant. The restaurant was the best, set right inside an 18-acre park in the heart of the city, where you could drive in and have hot dosas, vadas and madras kapi served on a plate that would sit on the door of the car. Me and my friends used to request for a song, and he would break into one of his many songs like this one. Songs like these are timeless. I don't know if we will ever hear such songs like these again. In 1966 movie Ramu, the song Kannan Vandan by Sirgali Govindarajan and T.M. Soundararajan, the movie went to win a national award. In 1967, the movie Thiruvarut Selvar, the best Kalyani ever, Mannavan Vandanadi Thodi by K.V. Mahadevan, rendered by P. Sushila. This is an epic song. P. Sushila is a student of violin maestro Dwaram Venkataswamy Naidu, and she had a lot of Carnatic training. 1972, the movie Tavappudalvan, Isai Kettal Puvi Asaindadu, TMS MSV combo. This is a great song. In 1982 movie Ezhavadhu Manithan, the song Veenayadi Nee Enakku, music by L. Vaidyanathan, sung by Neeraja, B. Neeraja and KJ Yesudas. What a song! 1982 movie Thai Moogambigai, Janani Janani, Isaignani's best. The initial tune which he had composed did not suit the character of Sri Adi Shankara. Isaignani said, with a chance, he actually said this, with a chance to have a glimpse of the portrait of Adi Shankara, I was inspired to compose the tune which was similar to Bhajagovindam. Initially, Yesudas sir was supposed to sing the song, but since he was held up in another studio, Isaignani had to do this song, and the rest is history. In 1985 movie Sindhu Bhairavi, the song Kalaivaniye, it features the raga's phrases that only ascend the scale, a challenging piece to compose and execute. This one is a stunner by Ilayaraja. In 1985, the song Vandal Mahalakshmiye by S.P. Balasubramaniam in Uyarnda Ullam. In 1988 movie Unnal Mudiyum Thambi, SPB and Chitra in Enna Samayalo, the second Charanam is a delightful Kalyani. In 1992 movie Mannan, Yesudas sir sang Amma Endradekada. Isaignani's pinnacle moment. For a devout listener, the song has the same effect of Pattinathar's Ayyirendu Thingalai Angamellam Nondu Petru or reading Adi Shankara's Matru Panchagam. It will move the listeners to tears. In 2005, movie Urunal Urukanavu, the song Kaatril Varum Geethame, another of Isaignani Ilayaraja's great. The picturization of the song is, I believe, the best. And the kind of singers, Bhavadarani, Hariharan, Ilayaraja, Sadhana Sargam, Shreya Ghoshal, all in a single song. Wow, this is an epic song. And finally, movie Shankarabharanam, the sloka Manikya Veenam, it is set to this ragam, I believe. In raga therapy, Kalyani gives energy, removes tension, and acts as a general tonic. It dispels the darkness of fear, gives motherly comfort, increases confidence. Kalyani means Mangalam. When sang or recited with faith and devotion, it is believed to clinch marriage alliances. The raga has the power to destroy fear in many forms. Fear of poverty, love, power, ill health, death, etc. Thanks for watching, and let's meet another episode of Raga.